How are you guys? And today our next topic is solarMax X series solar inverter free forever. Okay, and we have no any specification level for the operating voltage and current and much more. Okay, so I remove the top core already for saving your time. This inverter is ready. Okay, but we have one issue. The variator or SPD surge protecting devices is damaged. So we need to remove the board for maintenance and cleaning like yesterday live. Okay, so first we need to remove this plastic hooks. Okay, and after that I am deciding, okay, what we can do. Okay, now we need, I am rotating my mobile phone, okay, with the same direction of inverter. Sorry for vibration, I need to fix the camera. Okay, now I am setting the inverter on my favorite position. Okay, and now we need to cut this zip ties. Okay, quickly. Welcome to N. Okay, and you need to all the zip ties, cutted zip ties, keep in the box. Why? This is the reminder. If you are closing the inverter and use this screw, and if you forget to install again, so this cutted zip tie is a reminder we keep. Okay, so first we need to remove this plastic air ventilation core. Okay, and after that we need to clean all this dust. Okay, with the help of air blower. So you need to decrease your volume. Okay, because here is starting a loud noises. Okay, down your phone volume. Okay, I am cleaning the inverter from the dust just in around 15 seconds. Okay, I'm just plugging in lower shoe. Okay, and down the volume. Okay, okay, now this is the big board. I need to up my camera, but I can adjust this. Okay, so now we need to remove the main board from body. Okay, especially for this area cleaning maintenance. Okay, here is some SPDs or variators blasted. Okay, so we need to remove the main board. Okay, first we need, if you are learning, first we need to remove this screw. Okay, keep all these screws in one box and hooks. Okay, this little PCB. Okay, and after that here is a one strap. Here is a one step for mppt. Okay, slowly pull up if it's removing easily, it's okay. If not, so that's mean here are some glue, but here we no have any glue. Okay, after that here is one strip, another this strip. Okay, remove from the main board. Okay, because we have issue in main board. And after that we need to remove this solar charger controller. Okay, so cut this zip tie. Okay, and keep this in the box. Throw away later when you close the inverter. Okay, now we need to remove this slow. Just open a little bit. Okay, and after that remove completely. Okay, we need to remove this little PCB. Sorry. Oh man, come man. Oops, I wasted a lot of time. Why? Okay, keep this. Okay, now we need to apply a little bit force for removing. If coming with a little bit force, it's okay, but this is not removing from a little bit force, so we need the help of tool. Okay, I want to remove and this plate, this is the surface. Okay, no any teeth. It's very hard. Okay, we have another tool. I am trying on this. Okay, to safely remove. Okay, don't worry, I install this tool on this area. Okay, so our thimble or clip is okay. Wait, I have a call. Hello, hello, hello. I not hear any sound. Okay, let's get started again. Now we need to remove this another wire with this method. Okay, that's okay. We removed. Okay, this is the solution for this type connectors. Okay, now we need to remove all the screw from mppt solar charge controller. Okay, here is a 6 screws, all okay, all we have on this board 6 screws. So we need to first remove this. Here we have number 4. Okay, Now we have just 2 screws to remove. Okay. This video is related for technical person. Okay. If someone liking other content, so we are not responsible. Okay, this is our mppt solar charge controller. Okay, we need to keep this on safe area. Okay, I kept. Now we need to remove this communication PCB. Okay, we have one strap here, okay, and one here. Hold the control card, okay, and smoothly remove the strap. And after that, I need to remove this one screw. Okay, I open this. Now we need to remove, okay, and keep on the safe area. Okay, and after that we need to remove the main AC input and output connections. Okay, this is the output neutral, okay, and this is the output line, okay, and this is the grid neutral, grid main, AC input, okay, and this is the grid line, AC input, you can call, okay. And after that we need to remove the pen strip, okay, remove, okay. Now we need to remove the main both screws. Here are sealed, okay, but this is not in the warranty. This is the 2017 model, okay. One here, two, okay, here are three, okay, and this is the four. Welcome to all viewers, okay, and this is the five. Here is, okay, and this is the six. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, six screw I remove. Here is we have no screw, so we need to install after the repairing. Okay, so now I am remember after the repairing, it's I can, and we have a chance to forget. So first I am adding the screw in this box, and this time, okay, because after the repairing we are human, if we forgot, okay, I choose the same screw. Now I was add in this box, okay, for this screw area, okay, because this is the important, this is the earth point, okay. And how many screw we open? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need 7, 8, okay, 9. This is the 9th screw. Okay, 9. Now I am searching for another, and this is the 10 screw. Okay, I open, I remove. Now we need to slowly pull up. Okay, like that. Here is a strip connected with the body and the PCB. Okay, before this we need to remove the main power switch. Okay, because we don't slide this circuit, because we are pulled up from this side. Okay, so we need to remove this switch. Okay, carefully. The switch is not expensive, but the main board is expensive, so we need to remove the switch. Okay, now method is that. Okay, slowly pull up and wait. Okay, first you need to confirm all screws are removed. Okay, now I am doing supervision. Okay, here are we have one screw more, 11. Okay, here are 11 screw. Now try again, slowly. Okay, smoothly apply the force. Okay, because here is a thermopad attached with like a glue, so you need to slowly up the board. Okay, now I am showing you. Okay, now this is the smooth method for removing the board. Okay, as you can see. And why we need to wait for removing? This is the thermopad and like a glue. Okay, this is the double-sided tape like. Okay, now we receive this piece, so first we need to remove this from the PCB, because if we keep this PCB on this bench, so our strip thermopad can damage. Okay, so I want to remove slowly. They are damaging. Some company some companies make this in pieces, and some in a one single. And now what the method for removing this? I am applying what I have a sharpening. Slowly remove. Here is no any assembly component. Okay, this is just the solder surface area. Okay, but we have no any solution for this. This is the flaw of company. Okay, now we need to keep on this position when we are installing the board, so this area was connected on this. And for example, if we keeping board again in the body. Okay, so this is the position. Now I am removing. Okay, and this is the direction, so I am keeping on this with the same direction. Okay, now our thermopad is safe. Okay, and we need to core this from paper tape. Okay, this is important thing. Okay, now we need to protect this Okay, we need to protect this thermopad, but our tap is not connecting. Why? So after that, what we have a solution for this, that I'm thinking about how we can protect this little bit thermopad. Okay, I found some double-sided good quality. Okay, I am protecting with this. Okay, okay, now I protected the thermopad. Okay, and this is not thermopad, this is just a single side tape. Okay, and now we can keep on this side. Okay, and sometime we have this issues. Yesterday I was received a very badly damage of PCB, and approximately yesterday I was live 5 hours and some minutes, and today 2-3 hours, and final I clear all the UPS and the 3 live streams. Okay, now as you can see the relay condition. Okay, here look at the relay is damaged. Okay, from the effect of high voltage. So now we need to remove the control drive card. Okay, because it's sensitive, we need to slowly remove. Okay, and don't touch a screwdriver with the control drive card. Okay, I am rotating the PCB. Oops. We need what? Man. Okay. I am doing this. We have already these pins. Okay. And here is this rubber, and here is this screw. So this is not connecting. Okay. Sorry for wasting your time and mine. Okay. We can keep. And every live stream I am saying we are the humans. Okay, we can mistake, but some people don't accept the mistakes, and some people accept. I am accepted my mistake, and I also accept, because the mistake is mistake. Okay, now we need to remove all the relay and check one by one, because this is the high voltage effect. Okay, in some cases our relay is being damaged in some cases, so now we need to remove all the relays. Okay, and check one by one. Now how we can remove the relay? Okay, I am showing you. you need to have a best soldering iron or soldering station. Okay, and you need to have a good quality solder. Okay, solder wire. Now this is our first relay. Okay, this is the coil pin, this is the coil pin. Okay, and this is the common, and this is, I'm thinking about, this is only one point. Okay, normally closed or normally open. This is the normally open. Okay, NO, this is the symbol of this pin, NO, normally open. Okay, now we need to remove this solder with the help of soldering station or soldering iron and desoldering pump or desoldering wick. Okay, melt the solder. Okay, perfectly you need to melt the solder, and after that a lot of solder you can remove with the soldering pump, and after that some solder we need to remove with the soldering wick, desoldering wick. Okay, I have a 3D soldering pump, but this is not working now because they are full of solder. No, I have already only this little prosket. This is the good bird. This is the small. The capacity is very small. Okay, boost your soldering station. As possible, with the help of the soldering station, you can. Okay, and after that we need to desoldering wick. Okay, this is called, some people call soldering wick, some people call desoldering wick. Okay, and this is the prosket anti-hot. Okay, what's going on screen? Okay, six people are watching. Thank you. Okay, now we need to use the desoldering wick. Okay, slowly move with the soldering tip. Okay, don't apply more than force. Okay, now the turn of this. Okay, this side. I am adding some soldering plugs with the desoldering wick. Okay, that's okay. All right. Okay, now we need to remove the coil pin solder. Okay, this pin is not successfully free. I'm adding more some soldering flux and boost my soldering station. Okay. Move it slowly. Okay. This is the best method of using the soldering wick. Okay. This is pre now. Now we need to cut the used desoldering wick. Okay. Now I am cleaning the coil pin. Okay. Coil pin. Okay. And this is the second. Take care of SMD components. Okay. Okay. Now we need to cut and refresh. Okay. For this work, set your soldering station on 420 degrees. Okay. 420. Okay. This is the SMD component. First we need to clean. Okay. This is okay, just a soldering flux. Now we need to completely pre this pin and check. Okay. Take care of your fingers and hands. Okay. This is not free. This is still connected. Okay. Now this is free, as you can see. Okay. No any print out. Okay. No any print out. This is our one relay. Now I am testing one relay with you first, because that's boring to remove. With this method, 3 relays and together check. Okay. If you are working on electronics, you need to this type of probes. Okay. This is a little bit damaged, but apply the 12-volt DC power supply. Okay. For relay coil operating, first you need to know about the relay coil operating voltages. Okay. So I already know, and I want to show you. This is the coil has 12-volt DC. Okay. So we need to provide this coil 12 or 11 volts. Okay. 11, 10 volts minimum required for operating. Okay. 10 volts. So I am connecting these probes with the power supply. Okay. And now I am decreasing my power supply from 55 volt to 10 to 12 volt. Okay. I set 11.6 volt. Okay. Now this is the coil. No need to negative positive. Okay. And both sides they are working. Let's check. Okay. First we need to set our multimeter on continuity mode. Okay. As you can see. So this is the normally open pin I told you already. Okay, and this is the law. When you set this, remember. Okay, our right side is always normally open and our left side is normally closed. Okay, so first we need to check the continuity. In this time we don't have any continuity. Okay, it's mean now this is okay. Okay, first confirm this continuity. Okay, keep the multimeter probe here and after that confirm this continuity. So we have no any continuity, that's mean this is true or okay or good, whatever. And after that we need to provide the DC power supply. Okay, and after that we need a continuity. Okay, first we need to check our zero continuity. So and our multimeter is 2 ohm. Okay, now the zero. Okay, this is a perfect. If you are looking here 4 or 5 continuity 5 ohm, so don't use this relay again. Okay, so we have 0 ohm continuity, it's mean this is okay. Now I am keeping on the side this probes and multimeter. And remove. If you are checking in the board, so you can damage every assembly components of driving or operating this relay. So here are we have a damaged relay. Okay, the one method is here I have, but I know you are objecting on this, so I want to open this with the same method. Okay, first remove a lot of solder with the desoldering pump. Okay, my pump is jammed. And after that the same process, remove the little bit solder with the desoldering wick, because the desoldering wick is very expensive here. And don't damage the board. Okay, you have experience for repair. Okay, this is a small, this does not matter. I am using this. Okay, provide some soldering plugs and move it slowly. Okay, on this pin. First I need to boost my soldering station. Okay, this is the very difficult thing to remove. Okay, some people are damaging the fronts, PCB prints. Okay, I am adding. First I need to cut the use area of the soldering wick and add some more soldering plugs. Okay, it's still working. Okay, Now we need to do the same process with the second pin. Here. Okay, now the turn of the coil pins. Okay, it's very easy. I'm lucky. Okay. I think remove. Okay. Now we need to apply some force a little bit to free the pin. Okay. Don't apply more than force. And slowly. No. First we need to try on this. If they free, they will automatically fall down. But now this two pin we have solder. Okay, don't apply force. Now I am using again the desoldering wick. Cut it, use area, use piece. Okay, and add some more soldering flux and desolder the hole. Okay. Now this is the single pin. Okay, and now you can see I am cleaning the pins, no any print out. Okay, I'm just cleaning the pins. Okay, no any print here. Okay, here are some flux. Okay, this relay was damaged. I'm going to close. Okay, this is the relay condition. Through it and scrap. And for best repairing review, we need to remove this three. This is my duty. Okay, I am removing every time all the relay for the best service. So we have, this is the common. Okay, boost your soldering station around about 420 degrees centigrade. Okay, desoldering a lot of solder. Okay, now okay, I already add some solder. Okay, after the one shot we need to remove with desoldering wick. Slowly move. First I need to boost soldering station. Now I need to add more soldering flux. Okay, now I'm using new place. Okay, I think this is free now I need to cut. This machine called anti-hot. Okay, I don't recommend the company or brand, but the thing is very good. Desoldering wick. Yes, this is the desoldering wick. Okay. I want to boost my soldering station. Don't use your soldering station direct on 480 degrees centigrade, okay? Because we are human, once we forget it on 480 degrees, the tip life is decreasing very quickly, and approximately 2 weeks, okay? In the 2 weeks, if you are using your soldering station on 480 degrees, so the tip life is not more than. Okay, now this 2 pin is free. Now we need to the same process. Move it. Okay, now I need to cut the use the soldering wick and adding more flux. Okay, okay, one thing I want to show you, I add a shot in my channel. You can you have you need to have a one bottle, and you need to have this holding flux. Okay, you need to add some thinner and some piece use from this is soldering flux. Okay, and keep in the thinner and shake for the 5 minutes, so you can get the liquid form soldering flux. Okay, like this. But this is the very perfect idea, but it's need to dry. Okay, next time I do all this. Now in a days I am very busy. Okay, okay, one thing I am want to show you more. Use this sponge. Okay, now look at the tip, and after that you can check the tip. Okay, take care of your hand. Now you can check the tip shiny. Okay, this thing you need to keep on your bench, and you need to use in wet. Okay, like that. This is the water. Okay, but I have a call again from this number. Hello, hello. وعليكم السلام. خير يا شكرا. استاذ كار شو دير خنا وقت ما يدير بس اوس نشرب دين ما بيو سار بس رازي اه سي نا زو شاب جيم بس زما اي بس كم زي كم دي سنة نو راشي كان زما ترقص مثلا نشتي راشي ها صح اوكي. Only the one viewer. Thank you. I am not keeping this live in private. Okay. After the live, you can watch again. Okay. This is free. Now the same process. Move it from one side to another side. Okay, like that. And push. Okay. And easily apply a little bit force just for removing this. Okay. Now you can see. Okay. No any prints come out. Okay. Now we need to check this. First we need to clean the pins from soldering plugs. Okay, because this is very important thing, because this is the lightning devices. Okay, inverter is also using for lights, and especially in the night here, because here is a very hills and mountain and rivers and cloudy weather. Okay, so I am working perfect because I am the responsible for this. This is the lightning devices. Okay, now I am keeping the board on a safe area like that. This is my friend, my bench. Okay, now same process. Okay, apply the 12-volt DC power supply. Okay, recommended with the coil. Okay, now keep your multimeter on continuity again. Okay, or home, what you want in this. This is not diode. Okay, I operated already. First I need to check without operating. Okay, this is open and this is already the open pin, normally open. Okay, the symbol is NO, normally open. Now I operated the coil and now I need the continuity. Okay, that's mean our two relays is okay and our one is damaged. Okay, after that I am keeping this on the side and clean this area on the time. Okay, don't do this. Get some cotton swab and 2K thinner. Okay, for removing this soldering plugs. Okay, this is all the soldering plugs. take care of the SMD components, resistor or diodes. Okay, I think this is the real pin. What is this, man? Okay, what? I want to solder this again. By mistakenly, I removed the solder. Okay, now I'm just cleaning this area on the time. Okay, don't leave this. I'm still cleaning. I'm not clean finally. Okay. Broken. I am just repairing the solar inverter. Okay, advanced solar inverter repair. But you can learn the soldering and desoldering methods from me, because every day I am soldering 1,000 pins. Okay, if I count this in one relay, we have 4 pins, 4, 8, 12. Okay, so our yesterday live, if you watch, so you can understand why I am sad. This I am soldering and desoldering 1,000 pin daily. And one tip I want to here is install the bench bottom side. Okay, it's the bench of bottom side, and all. Okay, after the video I can give the tip. Okay, I am receiving the solder more than. Okay, like that. And if you don't want to use, okay, so you can roll up again in the roll. Okay, like that. Okay, this is the soldering tip. So finally we clean our all pins. Okay, now the turn of the top side. Oh man, here we have a lot of carbon. I am zooming in the camera. Okay, and now you can see the prints. Okay, no any print image. This is the one. This is the relay number 1. Okay, 2 coil pins and 2 is the AC connecting pin. Okay, this is the number 2, and where is the number 3? 1, 2, and here is the number 3 pin. No any print out. Okay, all the print is ready, but we need to clean this all area. Okay, but this is we need to clean on the time. This two pin you need to clean on this time. Okay, Okay, now check the prints. Print says okay. Zooming out. Okay. This is our affected area. And after that we need to check this transistor. Okay, first we need to clean to note the number NPN or PNP. After that we are checking. There is a lot of carbons. What is this mean? This is a soldering flux. Okay, here is a lot of carbon. Look like flux, as you can see. The track is too damaged with the spark, as you can see here. We need to solder. Okay, first we clean it. After that we need to solder this pin again, because this is the input. The input is more important than the output. Okay, this component is okay, but here is some carbon on the body, so we need to remove. This is another side. Some people are like this working. He don't want to learn this, but he always liking this type of working. Because I checked, I receive some respect. Okay, to learn, but some people are watching, liking. Okay, this type of works. This is the technical works, and especially this is the advanced electronics. This is the world latest technology. Okay, and you can call this the artificial intelligence. Okay, this is the best on AI system. Here is use a 30 megahertz CPU. Okay, this is the 30 megahertz CPU. They can check everything Okay, input voltage protection, output, but smoothly, not a surge. Okay, when the surge come, so the components are blasted, because software needs some time. Okay, and you know the electricity about the electricity speed. Here are installed, electrician cut this. Okay, who give me this solar inverter, he cut this blasted varistors. Okay, now I need to install new varistors. Okay, but first we need to clean this area properly. Okay, okay, this is clean. Now we need to clean this transistor area. So here we have no space for cotton swab, so I am using the tip picks for cleaning. Okay, and this is not, I think this is not the true method. I am seeing what happened. They're working, but if we remove the transistor from the board, so this is the good. Okay, so I am removing this one transistor from the board. First I need to connect the charger to my phone. Now I need to check. Okay, the charging is connected and we have a 34% charge. Okay, so here our transistor pins and the company is banded at 90 degree. Okay, but this is not the good working. This is the bad company symbol. In removing time, if you melt all the solder and pull down, so you can damage all the prints of PCB. So first we need to resolder this pin. Okay, and straight with the help of sharp and strong tweezer. Okay, first we need to melt, and after the melting we need to straight the pin. Okay, like that. I straight the one pin. Okay, now I am straightening the second pin for saving the PCB life. Okay, keep in the tweezer, melt and straight. Okay, now the third is two bend at 90 degree, so I need to first melt it, and after the melting I need to straight, and after that, as you can see, I can smoothly remove. Now check. Okay, the PCB live. in the PCB life. Okay, now I am reading the transistor number 2SA1020L. This is the PNP transistor. Okay, now if you are checking this pin number 1, this is not working. First I need to read the data sheet of this transistor, but my tablet is I have charge. Okay, I am teaching you. Okay, this is, I know I can check this. Okay, but I want to show you, okay, how you can check the PNP transistor with multimeter. First I am checking. Okay, this is the PNP, so I need the first negative prop at this pin. Okay, this is my method. Okay, this transistor is okay, but I want to show you now. I am searching a data to guide you. Okay, and this is the very famous and popular transistor. Okay, 2SA, the number is 2SA1020L. Okay, 2S. Oh man. Okay, where are you, man? Finally fall down on the floor. Here I found. I have a lot of new original, but okay. Now I am checking the data sheet too. Yes, my memory is very slow in this time. Yes, 8 and 20 L. Dip package. Okay, dip package. This is called the dip package, and this component called the SMD package. Like this is the SMD surface mounting devices. Okay, and this is the dip packages, dip area. Now I am checking the data sheet or knowing about the pin configuration. Okay, remove emitter collector in base. Why this transistor? Show me the continuity with the number on this side. I'm checking. Here I not found. Okay, I'm searching on Google Images. Google. Click on images. Okay, or SE pin configuration. And dears, I have a call from customer. Assalamualaikum. Salam. जी हीरा लें आओ जी आओ दुकान के में जी आओ बस सही दज़दम दे ममाज़ान बस गेट रखा था कटे लगी अखनी था ऐसा कुलाम खा right dears. Okay, just a person who want to learn where, so you can need to wait approximately 5 minutes. Okay, مړه بس دا یخي که نه په دې ټایم کې زه لږ لایو راځم یو دغی دا ما کاغذ کې ایښود دی ما نه روپي کوم سړی کوي ټیک ده چوکي هغه 60 منټو 5 10 15 منټ ما یو 5 घंटे تقریبا 5 घंटे 60 منټ لایو کړو اوکې دا ستارټ دی یاره ما سره کوم تقریبا دا دی کنه 5 کې ویو مړه ځای به پرې ट्रांजिस्टर मो तो टूल वाला गोले नहीं फ्रेश IRB 15 دا है मतलब बिल्कुल दे पे फ्रेश वाला गोले ना دا चिक यार ته خبره دا پدې کې 6 دانه ولا کېده او دا پدې 5 کیلو واټ کې 4 لګېدل یو 5000 واټ لوډ برداشت کوي دې ته پدې کې ما 6 ولا
دا هغه کړو دا یا خبره مې وکړو ما ورو
ما کوي کنه
یا pasa او ترې شو دا کوم یا خبره مې وکړو ما دې شو ما څنګه شو غوړې تاسو نه لري
د دې 2800 روپو کمپوننټس په کوله کېدو کلیرلی او کتل شي دا IRB 15
ټوټل څه
دا ټوټل بس تاسو نو غوي پر 3500 روپے لاګه تاسو نه خرابېږي او دې په لږه چې لګه کمپوننټس یاد لګي ما ټول مې ریپلیس کړ ها ټوټل A to Z مې ریپلیس کړ سرکټ مې کلین کو واش مې کو خو خپل صحیح ده او نیکسٹ ټایم کبي چې د غراغ انته کتل شي
صحیح ده
ما ټول امي ته گزار کړل څه ټول مې نه وکړل دا مې موټر ورغول دا په دې 5000 واټ کې سلور دانه یو طرف ته سلور دانه بل طرف ته 5000 واټ اوس په اخو کول دا پټ ورکړي بیا به کیسه
او جا
دې ګراس بسته یا شارټ سرکټ یا
او جا صحیح لړو جو وای
زه
او جا ډیر نه
ګلوبز دې استعمال کړم باقي کله څنګه دې you get the last glove fully except the glove direct actually mean you know glove the bagain kaate you aure
no
so don't follow them no more TikTok no YouTube खबर है लगा पकड़ने लायक नहीं समाचार तो 3 सब्सक्राइबर 5 घंटे वाला होगा लाइव एंड बाद में 453 पर 473 بیا سهار ما بل دا یو په 473 نه 479 بیا به خبره وګورئ ونه خطر انګلیش په موسم خړلو مې خپل په ماته او مثلا انا مې خبره او ارننګ سٹارټ 500 سبسکرایبر دي اورنا پر 24 واچ ټایم او اپډیټ کله 50 تور سره 80 ورځې کې چینل ورته باندې سٹارټ ان شاء الله او دا بالکل دا په سایت کې نه دا دا لا یو بالکل لا یو ریګي دا د چا نه کنه شي کې کوله بالکل او کنه څه چې دې خلک په سلور ورځې کې دوه ورځې یو زه لا یو کولاو کوم لکه په یو نو په سما درې لا یو کوم نو په ځګه ټیم ختم کیږي او ریګل ما ټیم ختم ما به سما کړکې په باندې خلک څه شو باندې my this is my wife my سبب دا ما کړ زما غوای اور دا به چې ته مو د په دې وستا صاحب سیده سٹارټ ما کړ په دې او څه څه په دې سٹارټ اے را په دې باندې Okay, welcome back. I am searching about this transistor pin outs. Okay. and I am why confused in this. I am showing you and this transistor and SMD package. Okay. Okay, here I found in a small picture. Okay, when we keep this on this position like the tablet screen, so this is our collector. What is this, man? And this is this is the symbol CGA, collector, anode, gate. What is this, man? First time I'm looking this thing. Why I am confused, I am showing you here. Okay, here I found in one picture emitter, collector, and base. Okay, one as emitter, two as base, three as collector. Okay, in the SMD package, now I am clearing my doubt, not your doubt. This is 2S 10A 20L and SMD package. And why I am confused? First, I need to solve this. Okay, SMD. This is the SM in the SMD package, and I am checking this. Why I am confused about the pin configuration? Okay, now this is the SMD. Okay, both are fronts. I am zooming in, are keeping on this board. Okay, are perfect. Test. I am looking here, empty area. Okay, without any current or component. And after this, I am checking what the confusion in my mind. Okay, this is on the same direction. Okay, when this is the PNP, I keep the prop negative on the pin number 1. This is not working. Okay, now this is in the SMD package. This is working on this side, on true side. Okay, because I checked a lot of multiple NPN and PNP transistor. Now I am showing you a SMD. This is the SMD PNP, and this is the SMD NPN. Okay, let's clear this confusion. This is the SMD NPN. Okay, so this is the law to check, to easy check. Okay, the marking code is EY. Okay, I have a lot of this, so we can. Now this is the NPN, and now I am sure in the SMD package. So if I keep the positive probe on the pin number 1, so I need on the pin number 2 continuity. Okay, as you can see, and now I do the continuity, as you can see. Now this is the PNP, so I am reversing the multimeter probe polarity. Okay, now I know this is the PNP, so I am keeping the negative probe on the pin number 1 and the positive on the pin number 2. I know this is the good pin configuration. And okay, here I am confused. I final, but the difference so easy way is this. like this direction, NPN and PNP. So you need to keep this one thing in my mind. If this transistor design for keeping the surface area, because here is the and around, okay, so this was designed for this thing, okay, this is the PNP, so this is the negative, this is the positive, this is again positive, this transistor is okay. I think this was designed for checking, for easy check. If I keeping on this side, I can easily check this, okay, and if I keep on this side, so now you can see, okay, let's, okay man, this doubt is clear, but I need to more study about this, why they showing data in opposite direction, okay. Now I am keeping the NPN and the NPN and the PNP and the PNP and keep them in the box, okay. This doubt is clear, okay. Now we need to first clean but this is the good thing if we change, but the coil is not damaged or more assembly damage, so we don't need to replace, okay. Now I am removing this another, okay. So already I told you how you can remove this, but don't worry, I am telling you again if the new viewers are come, okay. This pins is bended on 90 degree, so we need the sharp and hard tweezer and melt the pin and straight, okay. After that, melt the pin and straight first with the sharp and hard tweezer, okay. For any component you can do this process for easy removing, okay. Now I need to straight this, okay. I straight for any component bended pins you can use this method, okay. I need to install a little bit big tip, okay. This is for melting the one by one pins, and now I install, okay, and now melt at a time and smoothly remove like from snow, okay. We easily remove this without any force, okay, more than force. So now this is the carbon affected, so I don't want to use this again. I threw it in the scrap, and now one thing I forgot, and I was the big mistake. what I does the mistake, I was need to first note the single transistor. Now I am checking. It's here both P and P are the one as NPN man. Okay, this is okay. And this pin and this pin, that's mean this is both P and P. Oh, and copying from this, but this is the assembly. Oh. I am searching from video recording, live recording. Okay, anyone can saw the last transistor number. I was does the mistake. Welcome, and I'm just waiting for internet to check my video because I was does the mistake. I remove this two transistor, but now I am not sure. I am sure here is the P and P, but now I am not sure here is, but the direction is same, and I have in my phone user manual service, but now I am live. If I leaving this page, then I cannot, and I want to repair this inverter in one live, because from yesterday I repair one inverter in 3 live streams. This is not the good thing for live repairing. I need to do a one single live per one single inverter repairing. So I am searching my channel first, okay, and going to this live, okay, and searching for this moment when I remove the second transistor, and I want to know about the transistor number because now I am forget it. Okay, I found this time. Now I am removing. If I show in the camera, so okay, man off. Where I not saw finally. Why I does this mistake? But I am installing the PNP. Okay, or I am copying from other board, but this type of board now I have not, but the connection and pin configuration is same. Okay, so I have this board. Okay, this is my own board, and this was my starting experience, but now the board main board no have issue. we have the issue in our control drive card, but we cannot find this in multiple areas. Okay, so this is for 2 transistors. For these 2 relays, here is installed. We can copy. I want install this transistor with confidence and surety. So here we have one 2SA1020L and another as you can see, the first one is 2SA1020L, okay, and this is the second, as you can see, 2SA1020L. Okay, we confirm. Okay, now I am installing the transistor with the confidence. Okay, and first I need to remove the solder from the transistor holes. Okay, so I need the desoldering wick because here is a little bit solder. So okay, keep the desoldering wick on the hole. First you need to remove a lot of solder. Okay, and after that you need to use new desoldering wick. Okay, now you need to cut this. Okay, and the second I want to remove from this small desoldering from. Okay, and check what's going on. So this is not the good thing for little holes. Okay, I don't damage the front, but I know this is not good because this is very sensitive small soldering areas. Okay, so here you need to use desoldering wick. Okay, now we need to clean these holes. I don't know, but when I am live and talking with you, I am happy in this time because here I am alone and I don't like the people talking about some other people's. For this reason, I am in my workshop and I also keeping the shutter down, and people call me when he giving me the UPS are receiving. Like 15 or 20 minutes ago, I add this tag. Why? Because I got the inverter to the customer and get my clean money, collect my clean money and my reward. Okay, now I have up to SA1020L original UTC. Okay, and strip I am cutting. Okay, this is in strip. This is the UTC. Now I want to install a new original PNP transistor, okay, because I don't like any doubts. Okay, first we need to check the holes. Okay, that's okay. And now we need to clean the transistor hole area. Why I remove this transistor? Because I don't like the doubtful work. Okay, I am a clear person and also liking clear and clean works. I am expecting clean and clear work from others, and I am doing my work clean and clear. Okay, no dirty works of electronics. Now you check. This is, we have no any doubts. Okay, in the transistor. So we are installing with the confidence. This is number one. Why the company banned the fins? Okay, now I am telling you what the reason. They bend the pin because they keeping this PCB on like this. The transistor is falling down. Okay, with the reason of gravity. So this is the experience. Okay, keep your finger on the solder wire and give some solder to your soldering tip and solder this temporary just for holding the transistor. Okay, just for holding the transistor, and this is another just for holding the transistor. Okay, now my hands is free, but this is not the law. You bend the pin. Okay, after that, what can the repairing person with this bend pins? If you apply the force, so you can damage the PCB prints, and this is the important thing, the PCB prints. Okay, now I am cutting the extra pin, and here I does a mistake because first I need to cut this, but I does. So what happening when you are the cutting, in case this solder is loose? Okay, so now I am resoldering one by one for clearing my mistake. Okay, just the difference here. Okay, we install the two transistor new, and now we need the one relay. Okay, our two relay is okay. We need to clean and install, and after that we need to install the new variator. But I need to contact the electrician because this inverter is installed in the middle of mountains. Okay, so they installed this UPS approximately 5 days ago. Okay, and this is the first time repairing. If you are not believing, start video. I remove this cell at myself. Okay, so this is the mean, this inverter is first time repair. Okay. Okay, this is the relay bottom side. Now I am installing. Okay, this is the second. Keep your finger like that. Okay, and this is keep your solder like this. Okay, and give some solder to your tip and solder at temporary just for holding the relay. Okay, to free your hands. Okay, like that. Now your hands is free and no need to bend any component pin. Okay, now solder this permanently. Okay, after the soldering I am showing you the close view. Okay, now you can solder this permanently. Okay, now the turn off this, solder this 2 or 3 second wait. Okay, my soldering station is out from boost mode. Now I boost it again. Okay, now the turn off this, check soldering. Okay, this is the coil pins, remember this. Okay, and this is the one. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now I am cleaning. My channel first name was soldering tips, but I think I am repairing the solar inverters. Why I am not keeping the live inverter repairing name? So finally I decide and I change my channel name, and now this is the permanent name because I am the working of solar inverters. Okay, so I keep the name for my channel live inverter repairing, and I am also repairing in the live stream. Okay, because some people repairing and keep the privacy. Okay, but I am not from those people. I am a clear person. When I does the mistake, I am clear cut told you I does the mistake. Okay, and if I work good, so I am working good. Okay, I don't like recorded and uploaded videos. Okay, I am working live. Mistakes live, good working live, bad comments live, everything is live. Okay, but don't worry, this world is full from good and bad peoples both. Just you focus on your goal. Okay, don't follow the people talks, just focus on your goal. I'm also focusing on my goal, okay, not on the people. And now you just check the soldering, okay. Are you know whose pin? This pin solder, this pin, this pin, this pin, okay. From side view, and this is the soldering, okay. Now I am calling to the person who gave this inverter for repairing, who said don't install the variator. I have a lot of variators, okay. I am showing you. I ordered this pack, okay, and now the remaining pieces is this, and my box is now approximately empty. So where my variator small box then? 471 471. Okay, we temporarily get from this. We have same value, okay, but I need to call the electrician. Why they say don't install the variator? I am calling. After that we need to replace, to install a new relay. So I am calling to this person. Why they told me do not install the variator again? This is the one relay holds, okay. Mustana, da ta چې دا variator بیا مې install وکنه سو جوا سو کمس سو کما install کوم ته variator کنه یاره بوټ خو سیزي زما خو دغه مشوره د بوټ سیزي لکه چې وره واغس وسو ما دومره کاربن ریموو کو کنه لا یو یم زستا به بوټ کې کېدای شي ته ګورم دومره کاربن مې دې لرې کو نه دا وسه یو ځلا یم ستا باندې ما وختي شروع کړل تقریبا 1:55 کې روانه ده او دوه کسان وی ورځي نن دې خاص اپریشن بدی کې نشته سیب د ډکو صفایي وکنه او ترانزسټر خرابي او ریلې شلول نو پدې کې دومره خاص موومنت نه کیږي نو وی ورزوم نشته دومره خاص نو څه کوم ویریسټر څنګه تاو تعال د بهر وته سپیډ نه لګي एक्सटर्नल वतन लगे एक्सटर्नल हाँ जुन्न लगूं पकी का ना ठीक सही था okay I asked from the person who said again don't install the SPD in the board. In some cases, why they said because some boards come from this is completely burned. Okay, I'm showing you. Why this inverter get fire? Okay, I am showing you the same mppt, okay, from variator. this fire catch variator catch the fire. Okay, this SPDs, internal SPDs, are very dangerous for mountain and hills area because they are falling a lot of lightning. Okay, high voltage. Now I am showing you another. This board was damaged by in flood. Okay, I am just keep this bar following the tracks. Okay, here install this varistors and these components. I already show this type of board. Okay, here is varistor, as you can see, one is here and one is here. Finally they catch the fire and burn all board. Okay, so my recommendation for this board here is don't need for this SPD surge protection device because here is very high voltage falling and rain and cloudy weather. Okay, now I need one good quality relay. So I think I have not. I'm just checking. I have not. Now I am checking in my brother workshop. I have not. I am also getting on this. Okay, friend, welcome back. But I not found the relay. I have my own one board. Okay, I am searching for. This is my own board. Okay, this is depicted with the acid. I purchased this. Okay, so I am not sure about this relay. Okay, this the company is same. If the company is same, let's check the specification. 40 amps and 277 volts and 30 amp. What is this? Okay, 40 amps and AC 277 volts, and here 30 amps 277 volts. So I am not sure on this. Okay, we need to tomorrow. Here are no anything to replace or clean. Okay, just we need to resolder this pin and install a new relay. But now here is the market are closed because here is now 9:03 p.m. Okay, night. I am the one person in the all market. I am still working with the help of Lio. Okay, because I want to teach some people. Okay, and I can get some interested people in YouTube. Okay, I resolved this pin. Now just we need to open this if a person want to install a variator. Okay, so in as a community we are working on this. Okay, the one variator, first we need to confirm the variator pins. Okay, with the help of direction and dimension. Okay, one pin. Okay, confirm. There is a immunity. Okay, we need to open this pin, remove this pin. Okay, because the electrician cut this, and one this pin. Okay, they spalted, I think. Yes, yes, they spalted with the copper because I melted the solder, but they don't moving. So if I remove this with the pores, okay, finally remove. Finally the spalt are removed. This is the supernatural help. This was the supernatural help, I think. Okay. Okay. Now I know I need to remove the solder or the next person. Okay. I am not installing. because the electrician said don't install the variator in my board, and the cause you already saw in the in the start of live stream how many carbon I remove. This is the variator side effects. Search protection devices. They can't providing the protection. What is this? Oh man, I resold the relapping. Don't worry. What is this? Okay, just we need to clean and little bit work at next time. Okay, but now I am not closing a live. This live is not a specific fault. Okay, or give your suggestion. I need more work for tomorrow because I have a lot of pending work, because I am live from 8 to 9 days, so I have a pending work I need to complete. Okay, that's fine. I need to keep this board on the safe area or in the safe area. Now we have to repair one this drawer, but this time is not true for this. Okay, this is our next live repair. I already work this live. Okay, you can search this how to repair in my channel Growatt SPF 3000 TL. I remove all the components, heatsink and transformer. Okay, and the video is available in my channel, and this was I remove in the live stream. Okay, this transformer, this heatsink. Now I have a lot of time for this, like from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Completely 12 hours live we need for this, because this was very badly damaged. Okay, this device damaged the control drive card and much more components. And this device I want to teach you, learn some basics like charging starting. Okay, with the PWM signal. So this is our next, but we have to continue time 12 hours. Okay, this is we are repairing if God will. Okay, other hand, we have another one, grow watt SPF 3000. I am keeping my finger for privacy, the private number. Okay. Another we have grow watt SPF 3000 for repairing. Okay. And now the turn of Inverter X 2.2 kilowatt. But now I'm ending this live and coming live again because I need to add a title of this. Okay, I am keeping this on the side. Tomorrow just I need to install a new relay and close the inverter. And now I am closing the topic. Take care. God bless you. Bye.